see, we are here with the crew, the day ones. What are we gonna do today? So,
all right. So today's okay. So got Ruben here, got me, got Mr. P. Today we are going to an open house, right?
We're hosting an open house. To turn in, if you can see, that's like a cul-de-sac. Are you familiar with that?
The cul-de-sac, yeah.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm always going to put up my sign in the corner.
Okay.
So I'm actually going to put the hazards on, hop out, hop the trunk, put the sign on for the open house. Usually I would do that the day before, but like we said, yesterday there was some rain, storms, then decided to come all the way up here.
All right, so we just put in the signs, and now where are we headed?
Head to the home, it's right around the corner. Real estate experiment. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
So how much do they want for this house?
$309,999.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean here. I mean, again, guys, we're so jaded with the prices. Like here,
Yeah,
I wish you guys were at one of my other open houses where the prices are in the 400s, 500s, and they're like humongous. And you're like, this is how far my dollar can go. Pools and stuff. It's crazy.
Infinity pool.
I haven't seen that yet. I haven't had that.
Well,
actually, I've been
in-ground pools.
No, I've seen the one in in-ground pools, the $1.2 million home. That was beautiful. The other $1.1 million home.
Nice.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
Like it's vast. I like those, to be honest. I'm a little sucker for luxury.
For the what?
Luxury. So I kind of like, nice. You walk in, I'm like, dang. This is cool. You know, still something. So again, just to put some perspective, there's a reason why you're doing this as an agent. For those of you not familiar, is because there's a listing agent and there's the buyer agent. So there's the one who's representing a buyer and one who's representing a listing. And buyer agents will host open houses because some people who walk through the home are not being represented. And so that's literally an open opportunity to just represent them. If you build that good rapport, you say, hey, you know, what else are you looking for? If this doesn't work for you, what else can I send you? So you're offering that kind of value. So that's the thing that new agents like myself are doing. It's lead generation activities. And for me, I'm also playing the long-term game because this listing agent is actually, Joe Roberts is actually the number one agent in Atlanta. So he has properties everywhere. And so later on, we do a lot of these for each other. You're helping him out, he helps you out. Co-listing, Joel. So,
dope.
That's it.